Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ford Performance Supervan 4. Honestly, I never saw the first three iteration itself, but anyways, this is what I got. Okay, I bought it for 179. Okay, so this is from Green Speed, which means this is an electric vehicle. That figures. I am personally not a fan of electric vehicles because you are just paying the money for a big set of battery. That's it. So the rest of the things are like not really that much. So personally, being a mechanical engineer myself, I will always side with internal combustion engines, not this electrical shits. And definitely, I'm not going to buy any of this electric cars or bikes or scooters, whatever that shit is. Maybe unless or until I have my own, solar powered home, and if I'm planning to renovate my entire house in future, and if I'm actually going green, then maybe I will buy one. Depends, but honestly, I'm not a fan of electric vehicles. Okay, so the initial impressions of this casting, this actually looks really nice. Honestly, throughout these castings, I think how many? Seven, eight casting we are unboxing, including the premium one. So the paint job on this one looks really nice. It is glittery, not because of that I'm saying it is really nice, but it doesn't have any issues with the paint. So maybe a little bit here, as you can see, just one streak, small streak here, but apart from that I don't see anything here, which is really nice. But again, as usual, there are no paint job for headlights or anything here. So the casting looks really good, and so the tail light details are there. So I'm not sure, I didn't see anything in the back of the card, whether it's openable or something, but it looks really nice and it is very weightless. And the entire body is metal and the chassis is plastic, so the rims are really nice in this one. Productivity accelerated, okay. So this looks really nice for a change. So I'm really happy that out of these eight castings, including the premium one is, let's leave that one, that is a bit good, that is good on its own. But rest of the seven castings, including this one, honestly this one looks nice compared to the rest of the others. Let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll really well. It does have a lot of wheel wobble on both wheels, you can see. Especially on the front wheels, you can see it just wobbles like it is going to, come out of the car and run away separately. But still, it rolls really well, compared to that, I think the NSX which we unboxed. Overall, it is a good casting, I personally like it. So if you guys want, some band type of casting in your collection, I think this one is really good to go on. The color scheme and everything looks nice, specifically under the light. So I'm just planning to put it under sunlight and see how the sun shines. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.